I have landed 4 job offers. I went from this to this and I did it by doing less, not more. If you're new here, welcome to Mindly. I am Krishna and this is a space where we talk about how our minds work, not just live in it. If you've ever wondered why you are the way you are at the right place. Let's get started. There was a time after postpartum I had 24 kgs to lose, and I honestly never believed I was a disciplined person. I've always thought discipline meant more suffering, using my willpower, forcing myself. But I was wrong. What changed my life was realizing that discipline is not about willpower, it's rather about putting systems in place that work for me. And once I changed those systems, not only did I lose my way, but also show differently at work. Today, I'm going to show you these 6 strategies that has helped me build this muscle called discipline, and the final strategy which talks about programming your unconscious mind that almost made discipline very automatic. So let's get started with the first one, remove friction. Most people make discipline harder than laziness. After postpartum, I remember I kept relying on motivation to eat healthy, to go to the gym, to exercise. It failed miserably, not because I didn't want to do that, but because I kept relying on myself to make a decision to do that at the end of the day. And just like that, discipline became easier than resistance. So ask yourself, is your current environment making success easier? If the answer is no, remove the friction. Second one is stop relying on motivation. Motivation is a feeling and it will fade. Structure doesn't. If you have a structure that you have made for the whole week with your meal prep, with your gym schedule, with your PT assigned, that is a system. And when on the days you don't feel like doing it, if you have those systems put in place, they will carry you when you can't. And that's exactly where you will become more consistent. Third is replace, don't just resist. Don't focus completely on stopping the bad habits. The way our minds have been programmed to work, or it already has made a habit, we cannot change things overnight. We'd rather take one step at a time and change the habit instead. Wherever you are meant to do something at a particular time, if there is resistance that's coming from your consciousness, we try to replace it to something which is still effective. If I want to eat a chocolate, I will pick up a snack rather that still fills my tummy up. That means I'm still eating, but then I'm not eating the same calories as chocolate. These first 3 strategies helped me build the foundation of what I needed to know to build this discipline. And the next 3 strategies is where we go through how we make it feel more automatic. Let's get started with the 4th one. Make discipline feel easy. Most people that I know who wants to do something consistently, they make the process very painful, and that makes it harder. This is where people go wrong. Discipline should feel easier, not a punishment. It should be able to repeat itself. So we start smaller and we stack small wins because this momentum will grow from success. 5th one is what got me from really surviving postpartum to receiving 4 job offers, which is follow a plan, not a feeling. This changed everything for me because I stopped asking what do I feel like doing today and instead started following a plan. That same principle helped me in my career too. As I became healthier, I carried myself differently. I spoke more confidently, I negotiated differently and showed up differently, which is where this confidence was not random. It came from discipline. And finally, the 6th one, which changed everything for me, was reprogram your unconscious mind. I stopped trying to be disciplined consciously and rather started training my mind unconsciously. I started using affirmations. I started using identity statements. I started using vision boards, and I utilized that time before I slept and just after I wake up to speak these statements so clearly, which is where my unconscious mind is wildly open, ready to accept and also ready to put in place. I stopped saying I'm trying to be disciplined. I follow through whatever comes my way because our mind acts on the identity it believes. And once your unconscious mind accepts discipline as a part of who you are, action becomes automatic. This is where discipline stops feeling like an effort and starts feeling like identity. If this resonates with you, let me know in the comments below which of the 6 strategies would you be very keen to implement. Consider subscribing, and until I meet you in my next video, thank you for watching and I appreciate you.